Servus and welcome to Flo's German Kitchen. I'm Flo, this is my kitchen, and I show you how to cook the German way. When you're making sausage with a sausage stuffer, you will always have a lot of the frying remaining in that part of the machine. And you will probably not want to throw that away because it's a wonderful thing. And I can show you today what to do with it. It's a Bavarian Bratwurst burger. But as not everybody of you is actually making sausage or bratwurst at home, I will show you how to make it from scratch, the Bavarian Bratwurst burger. For the Bratwurst burger we need a couple of things. That's ground pork, no beef, pork. You need a burger bun. This is a special lye burger bun. If you can't get this, just take a usual normal burger bun you can get in any supermarket. We need tomato, pickle, coleslaw, and a couple of spices, sweet mustard, hot mustard, and this is Craving. It's a paste of horseradish. If you can't get that paste, I don't know if that's a common thing in the US, what you can also do is just grind fresh horseradish. That works wonderful as well. And of course you need a good guzzle of German beer. Wunderbar. Let's start spicing up the patties. This is ground pork. This is around 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a pinch of mace spice, and quite a lot. This is a tablespoon of majoram. So I mix it and knead it thoroughly so that it gets a bit of a tighter, sturdier structure, so you can shape nice patties out of that later. As for the amount, that's 800 grams of pork. And I will shape that into 4 patties of around 200 grams. Did I mention the coleslaw? I'm not sure. I've taken coleslaw actually that I bought from a shop. If I make it my own, I will not have any carrot and no pickles in the Krautsalat. I would just take the kraut, a little vinegar, sour cream, salt, pepper, and that's it. But coleslaw works fine, and that's something you can get in every supermarket in the US, I assume. Okay, this is for my Bavarian burger sauce. It is a tablespoon of sweet mustard, a bit more than a teaspoon of hot mustard, and 1.5 teaspoons of horseradish paste. That's the sauce for the burger. Slices of gherkin and slices of tomato, whatever. And the preparations are already done. So I set up the stove and start frying the patties. You can do that on the grill, of course. I have two reasons why I'm making it in a pan. One thing is that I think the patties remain a bit juicier if I fry them in butter. The other thing is that I haven't yet figured out a good camera setup for my outdoor area. So we do it in a pan. That will work fine. You can already smell the spices, especially the majoram. I still don't know how that's pronounced correctly. And this is a really wonderful Bratwurst fragrance. Wonderful. I had some camera issues, so unfortunately you missed the part when I flipped the patties and I missed the right timing to do it. So they are gotten a bit dark, but they're still all right, and we have some nice roasty flavors. Yeah, other side is almost done. Time for me to have a good sip of beer. And start making burgers. Yeah, that camera stuff got me irritated. I missed another part, and that's frying the burger bun in the fat and the butter of the patties so they can pick up some of the flavor and, of course, get a bit toasty. I'll just do that on the stove behind me. So here we go. First thing is I spread some of the sauce on the bun. Slices of cucumber. Patty on top. Coleslaw. And slices of tomato. Here we have it, the wonderful Bratwurst burger. Lovely. Yeah, let's see how I manage to bite off a piece of that. This is so juicy. You had the Bratwurst flavor, which is pretty spicy. Have that pickles, the fresh taste of the coleslaw. It's a perfect mixture. It's a perfect burger. It's a Bavarian burger. And again, I'm at the point where I don't want to stop eating. So let's wrap this up. If you like this video, tell your friends about my channel, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Just do what you want, but make yourself a Bavarian burger. Cheers on German cuisine. Cheers on Bavarian Bratwurst burger. Wunderbar.